How to change the font style in Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change the font style on your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just search in for the font by simply heading over to search bar and searching for font. So once you quickly search in for the font, just click on this font style option as you can see here. So from over here you can basically change the font style by clicking on it, and by default it has been given for my Samsung device like 4 of different options. You can also download other fonts by simply tapping on the download fonts option and downloading from Samsung provided fonts just like this. If you are using other devices you might see other fonts as well. So from over here let me just select the default font, and you can also increase size and make your font more bold by simply enabling this option over here. So that is exactly how you can easily change the font style on Android. So thanks for watching guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.